This is 6 minutes a day keeps you a good sense of English EP 14. Today's topic, Whispers of the Wilderness. Today's speaker. Chad has an American accent. In the heart of the dense Amazon rainforest, where emerald canopies stretched endlessly overhead, and a symphony of wildlife filled the air, lived a group of intrepid explorers with a passion for adventure. Among them were Sarah, an enthusiastic biologist, and Mark, an experienced wilderness guide. Little did they know that their journey into the heart of the jungle would unveil not only the secrets of the wilderness but also the depths of their own resilience. Chapter 1: The Call of the Jungle. As dawn broke over the towering trees, Sarah and Mark gathered their gear in a clearing. The air was thick with anticipation as they prepared for a journey into the heart of the jungle. Armed with scientific instruments and a sense of curiosity, they ventured into the lush greenery, leaving behind the familiar sounds of civilization for the mysterious whispers of the wilderness. The forest welcomed them with a cacophony of exotic bird calls, the rustling of leaves, and the distant roars of unseen creatures. The sheer majesty of the towering trees was awe-inspiring, their canopies creating a living cathedral that blocked out the harsh rays of the sun. Chapter 2: Encounters with the Wild. As Sarah and Mark delved deeper into the jungle, every step brought them face to face with the wonders of the natural world. Vibrant butterflies danced around delicate flowers, while monkeys swung effortlessly from tree to tree. The air was alive with the hum of insects, creating a harmony that echoed through the vast expanse of the rainforest. Their journey led them to a hidden waterfall, its crystal-clear waters cascading down moss-covered rocks. The cool mist enveloped them as they marveled at the beauty that surrounded them. Nature, in all its grandeur, seemed to be whispering its secrets to those willing to listen. Chapter 3: The Uncharted Territory. As the explorers pressed on, they stumbled upon a mysterious cave entrance hidden behind thick vegetation. Intrigued, they decided to explore its depths, uncovering a labyrinth of interconnected caverns. The play of light on ancient rock formations painted an otherworldly scene as they navigated the subterranean maze. It was in these dark depths that they stumbled upon a hidden ecosystem, illuminated by phosphorescent fungi. Tiny creatures adapted to life in the cave's depths, their existence unknown to the outside world. Sarah, in her scientific fervor, documented the newfound species while Mark marveled at the secrets that lay beneath the surface. Chapter 4: The Challenge of the Rapids. Their expedition took an unexpected turn when the explorers found themselves at the edge of a thundering river. A makeshift raft, crafted from sturdy vines and large leaves, became their vessel through the challenging rapids that awaited them. The rushing water roared as they navigated the twists and turns, adrenaline pumping through their veins. The forest seemed to come alive with the energy of the river, and the explorers faced the rapids with a mixture of fear and exhilaration. Each successfully navigated bend brought them closer to the heart of the jungle, where untold wonders awaited. Chapter 5: Shadows in the Canopy. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows across the forest floor, the explorers set up camp. Around a crackling fire, they shared stories of the day's adventures. However, their tales were interrupted by a distant roar that echoed through the darkness. The forest fell silent, and the explorers exchanged cautious glances. Unseen eyes watched from the depths of the foliage as the explorers sensed the presence of something majestic yet mysterious. The shadows in the canopy concealed the secrets of the jungle, leaving the explorers with a sense of both trepidation and fascination. Chapter 6: The Heart of the Jungle. The following day, the explorers ventured further into the heart of the jungle, guided by the distant calls of wildlife and the ever-thickening canopy overhead. The towering trees formed a natural cathedral that seemed to converge toward a central point, a clearing bathed in dappled sunlight. In the clearing, they discovered a hidden treasure, a vast array of exotic flowers, their vibrant colors creating a breathtaking display. The air was thick with the sweet scent of blossoms, and the explorers, humbled by the beauty that surrounded them, realized they had reached the very heart of the jungle. Chapter 7: A Journey's End and New Beginnings. As Sarah and Mark stood in the heart of the jungle, surrounded by the wonders they had discovered, a sense of fulfillment washed over them. The journey, filled with challenges and breathtaking moments, had not only unraveled the secrets of the rainforest but had also uncovered the strength within themselves. Their expedition, marked by encounters with vibrant wildlife, the mysteries of underground caves, the exhilaration of navigating rapids, and the shadows in the canopy, had left an indelible mark on their lives. The whispers of the wilderness had not only enriched their understanding of the natural world but had also forged a bond that transcended the boundaries of the jungle. As they made their way back to civilization, the echoes of the jungle remained with them, a reminder of the vastness and beauty of the natural world and the endless adventures that awaited those willing to listen to the whispers of the wilderness. Chapter 8: The Unveiling of the Hidden Tribe. Just as Sarah and Mark were preparing to leave the heart of the jungle, they stumbled upon an ancient village nestled in the shadows of the towering trees. It was a village of a hidden tribe, untouched by the modern world. The inhabitants, adorned in vibrant attire, greeted the explorers with a mixture of curiosity and warmth. Through a translator, the explorers learned that this hidden tribe had lived in harmony with the jungle for generations, their existence unknown to the outside world. The tribe shared their knowledge of medicinal plants, ancient rituals, and the delicate balance they maintained with the surrounding ecosystem. The encounter with the hidden tribe added a new layer to the explorer's journey, emphasizing the importance of preserving not only the physical beauty of the rainforest but also the cultural richness that thrived within its depths. Chapter 9: The Chase of the Canopy Shadows. As the explorers bid farewell to the hidden tribe, their journey took an unexpected turn. A mysterious shadow, barely visible against the dense foliage, darted through the treetops. Intrigued, Sarah and Mark decided to investigate, their curiosity overriding the caution that had lingered since the previous night's encounter. The chase through the canopy revealed a family of elusive jaguars, their golden coats blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight. The jaguars moved with a grace that belied their powerful presence, and the explorers watched in awe as the shadows in the canopy transformed into living, breathing symbols of the jungle's untamed beauty. Chapter 10: A Night Beneath the Stars. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Sarah and Mark decided to spend their final night in the heart of the jungle. The explorers, guided by the sounds of the nocturnal creatures, set up camp in a clearing bathed in the soft glow of the moon. The night sky, free from the interference of city lights, revealed a canvas of stars that stretched infinitely overhead. Around the crackling fire, the explorers shared stories and reflections on their journey. The serenade of crickets and the distant calls of nocturnal animals provided a soothing backdrop to their contemplation. Beneath the stars, amidst the vibrant symphony of the jungle, Sarah and Mark felt a profound connection to the natural world and each other. Chapter 11: The Return Journey. As the dawn painted the sky in hues of pink and gold, Sarah and Mark prepared to leave the heart of the jungle. Their backpacks were filled not only with scientific data but also with memories of a journey that had transcended the boundaries of exploration. The return journey, though bittersweet, was marked by a newfound appreciation for the delicate balance of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. The whispers of the wilderness, once mysterious and enchanting, now echoed in the explorers' hearts as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Thanks for your watching. Have a good day. If you don't want to miss the next video, remember to subscribe and turn on the bell. The vocabulary in today's video are blocked in the description. You are welcome to download and review. Keep practicing, and you will get the results you deserve.